How's it going, guys? My name is Rami and welcome back to yet a very long time. I have been gone for a minute trying to be very positive and trying to stay active on YouTube for my viewers. Guys, we have another great video today. This is an OBDII scanner that works only for Audis. So it's a German-based scanner itself. So anyone here watching this video, if you got an Audi, this guy is specifically tailored for your vehicle. Anyone else, my bad, you're not cool enough for this video. This video is gonna be really simple. We're gonna unbox this guy and see what you get in the box. We're gonna hook it up to an Audi and kind of see how the scanner works and what it's reading. We don't have an Audi that has any engine codes or has any check engine lights, but at least we'll get to see the UI, the interface, and how it works. But I'm pretty excited. I hope you are too. Let's get this guy an unboxing. So we got the scanner out of the box. We're gonna plug it into our Audi. Here we have an Audi Q8, and we're gonna see, all the features on this new scanner. Plug her in. It starts up our C-Reader Elite Audi, but we'll come to our user agreements, agree to terms. Now we got our diagnostic scanner on the car. We can see diagnostics and check for any check engine lights. We got to reset any upgrades for the device itself. We can do some shopping and just some classic settings. So let's try a quick diagnostic and see what happens. So it can scan the VIN of our vehicle, which is actually pretty cool. And again, this reader is only for Audi vehicles. So there it tells us the 2020 Audi Q8, exactly what we got here. We're doing some scanning and diagnostics of the vehicle. So it's running around different codes. 19 data bus OBDII interface. So far, no fault codes. It's going through all the different computer systems in the vehicle. And we can see right there, 19 data bus. Reading the ECU, everything looks good. We can get to some of our specifics when it comes to the actual test itself. So we can clear fault codes. We can read the diagnostic test. And right now we just see here that the system actually has some upgrades for the computer of the coder, but we don't need to upgrade them right now. But it's got a cool interface. You can change around with some of the settings, brightness, sound, the network, and of course it wants to connect to some Wi-Fi so we can have some live up-to-date information. Again, a lot of different features. We've used these products before, but this scanner is actually pretty cool, and for the value and how expensive these Audis are, I recommend getting one of these bad boys. But yeah, that's the coder.